Today we're making a cozy fall green bowl packed with quinoa, roasted veggies, and a maple vinaigrette. It's hearty, healthy, and so easy. Start with a base of fluffy quinoa, full of protein and perfect for soaking up flavor. Add roasted sweet potatoes for natural sweetness and color. Next, toss in some roasted Brussels sprouts. They add that cozy fall crunch. And don't forget roasted butternut squash. Creamy, earthy, and full of fall flavor. Now, build your bowl. Start with quinoa, then pile on the roasted veggies. Finish with a drizzle of maple vinaigrette for that sweet and tangy touch. And there it is, a warm, hearty fall grain bowl that's perfect for dinner or meal prep. This fall grain bowl is simple, colorful, and full of flavor. You can find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.